Dear students, let's be back to the class. In the last class we have seen what is the dividend theory and what is the first approach, the Modigliani-Miller approach in detail, and we have done one problem also. Today we are in the continuation of that. Let's see the problem now. Expandant Limited had 50,000 equity shares of 10 each outstanding on January 1. Understand the question clearly. The shares are being currently quoted at par. So that means 10 is the value. In the wake of the removal of dividend restraint, the company now intends to pay a dividend of 2 per share for the current calendar year. ഡിവിഡൻഡ് റെസ്ട്രിക്ഷന് ശേഷം കമ്പനി ഈ തവണത്തെ 2 രൂപ ഇത് അടയ്ക്കാൻ പോവാണ്, ഡിവിഡൻഡ് കൊടുക്കാൻ പോവാണ്. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് D1. ക്ലിയർ? ഇറ്റ് ബിലോങ്സ് ടു എ റിസ്ക് ക്ലാസ് ഹൂസ് അപ്രോപ്രിയേറ്റ് ക്യാപിറ്റലൈസേഷൻ റേറ്റ് ഇസ് 15%. So that means it is KE. Using model and assuming no taxes, ascertain the price of the company's share it is likely to prevail at the end of the year. Read the question once more. Using the model and assuming no taxes, ascertain the price of the company's share as it is likely to prevail at the end of the year. That means what is the price of the company's share at the end of the year? You are asked to calculate what is P1. Clear? The first method. You are asked to prepare what is P1. Condition is there when dividend is declared, when no dividend is declared. Is it clear? So what is the value of P1? What is P1 if dividend is declared? What is P1 if dividend is not declared? That is your first formula. P1 is equal to P0 into 1 plus KE minus D1. Right? So if dividends are paid, D1 will be 2. If dividend is not paid, D1 is likely to be 0. Right? Also find out the number of new equity shares the company must issue to meet its investment need of 2 lakhs. So I is 2 lakh. Assuming a net income of 1.1 lakh. That is E. E is 1.1 lakh. And also assuming that dividend is paid. So second question is that as when you assume that dividend is paid, what is the number of new equity shares? So you are asked to calculate M. Clear? Try to understand this question. In this question, what you are asked is to find out P1 and M. And in the last question, what you were asked is to show that under hypothesis, the payment of dividend does not affect the value of firm. Both the questions are different. Clear? In the last class, we were trying to justify the approach by saying that the value doesn't affect, the dividend theory, the payment of dividend doesn't affect the value of the firm. If dividend is paid, if dividend is not paid, the value remains the same. That was what we are trying to justify. But in this question, it is not so. Clear? Here, what we are trying to do is that if dividend is declared, what is P1? If no dividend is declared, what is P1? And what is the value of M? Provided the I is 2 lakhs and the net income is 1.1 lakh, that means that is E. Assuming that dividend is paid. So when dividend is paid, what is M? Clear? So here value of the firm you need not calculate, but using the model and assuming no taxes, you need to understand when such a question comes that you need to work out using model because the question clearly indicates the approach. Is it clear the question? So നമ്മൾക്ക് ഫോർമുലയിൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത് എന്താണ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത് വെച്ചാൽ അതാണ് നമ്മൾ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ക്ലിയർ? സോ ലെറ്റ് us see the question. So let us try to work out the question in detail. So first is P. P1 is what you want to calculate. P1 is equal to P0 into 1 plus KE minus D1. Clear? So you have two conditions here. First was when no dividend is paid. No dividend. Suppose in the first case there is no dividend. So here it will be 0, right? So 10 into 10 is the P0 into 1 plus 0.15 is the KE. It is given in the question minus 0. Clear? It comes to rupees 11.5. Rupees 11.5 is the P1. P1 is equal to rupees 11.5 if no dividend is paid. Clear? If no dividend is paid, it comes as 11.5. Right? So next is P1 if dividend is paid. P1 if dividend is paid. So P1 is equal to 10 into, same way, 10 into 1 plus 0.15 plus minus 2. Dividend is 2. Clear? It comes to rupees 9.5. So this is the difference. Second question was that to find out the value of M if dividend is paid. If dividend paid. Right? So let us do the M part. So under that, M is equal to I minus E minus N D1 divided by P1. P1 you have already calculated. So let us see. 2 lakh is I. It is given in the question. Minus earnings is given as 1.10, 1,10,000. Minus ND1, 50,000 is the number of equity shares. D1 is 2. Clear? Divided by, if dividend is paid, when dividend is paid, P1 is 9.5. We have already calculated. So it comes to 1,90,000 by 9.5. It is 20,000 shares. 20,000 shares. Read the question clearly. Do the problem alone. And I'll give you 2 more problems as the homework. So that way you can be clear about this MM approach. And tomorrow I'll start with the next theory, that is the Walters and the Gordon, and with that we'll come to an end of the dividend theory. Right? Okay, take care. Bye bye.